Alright. Hey, what's going on, Silvio? So I'm just gonna play the scales that you should practice for the summer. Um, Most importantly, I want you to be able to play it fast. Okay, faster than you played before. So let's start with the pentatonic scale. You know the pentatonic scale. Um, let's start at 5. So you skip 2, so it would be 5/8, 5/7, 5/7, 5/7, 5/8, 5/8, like that. So right, you know the scale already. But what I want you to get good at is using hammer-ons to get to the bottom faster. So you hammer on like that. Hit the note first, then you get your finger and you apply pressure. You probably already know that too, but to get there even faster, what you want to do is, after you've done the hammer-on, as you're doing the hammer-on, you want to take your first finger that you use to hit that 5. You want it to be moving already to the next string. So watch my finger carefully. So it's everything's like in a very consistent line. And when you get fast enough, you'll be able to play really fast. So or backwards. So that's a pentatonic scale. You know that one already. I'm going to show you a different pentatonic scale. It's more spread out through the fretboard. It's a much bigger one. It's a little challenging, but I mean you can rewind this video as many times as you have to learn it. So we'll start at the 5 again. Instead of skipping 2, like we did in the first scale, we're just going to skip 1. So it's going to go 5 to 7 on the E string. So 5, 7. Same thing on the A string. 5, 7. So that's the first part of it, like that. Okay. Once you do that, you want to take your ring finger and slide it up to the 10th fret. So from here to there. So it should sound like this. Okay. So after that, you want to take your first finger and you want to go from the 7 to the 9. Alright, so it'll be and you can kind of recognize the pentatonic part from the first scale I was showing you, because up here, you skip 2 and you skip 1, except it's like over here instead of it's. When you put the first part I was showing you together, like that, it's a big scale. So after you get from here, you want to slide up to I believe it's the 12 here. Oh no. So you want to go from the 7 to the 9, or 7 to the 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 12, 11, no, it's 10, sorry. Oh, crap. Sorry, it's a lot to explain, but here, look very carefully on the camera and just mimic what you can. So it'll be. Just look for the pattern. There's like a bunch of skip 1s. There's a couple skip 2s. Oh, sorry. Listen to the video. Use your ear. Use your eyes. Try to follow it. Just try to mimic it. You'll figure it out. That's one scale. The other scale we talked about before you left was the. It's called the chromatic scale. And the chromatic scale is just like every note in succession. So just one after the other in order. That's all it is. So just like how the notes are named, you know, A through G, it, if you were to play it chromatically, you go like A sharp, B sharp, C sharp, like that, all the way until you get to G. So a good way to practice the chromatic scale is I like to start here at the 8th fret. And what you're going to do is on each string, you're going to be playing 4 notes in a row. After you play 4 notes in a row on one string, you're going to jump to the next, but you're going to start 1 fret less than the first set of 4 notes, and you're going to play, you know, those 4 notes again, and it's going to keep on going diagonally as we get lower into the fretboard. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So it would go. Like that. So if you could play it really fast. I recommend strongly that you use your pinky for this. It's gonna feel really weird. Maybe because, I don't know, your pinky's probably not strong enough. But that's the whole point of practicing. You gotta make it strong enough. Don't take any shortcuts. You know, do it the hard way, because that's the best way you're gonna learn. So if you just do it the hard way, just put some work into it. You know. So. Now, the interesting thing about the chromatic scale is that, you know, I start here, the next string starts there, diagonally, such. Once you get to the higher strings, instead of going backwards 1, you're going to go forwards 1. So it's going to go like this. Forward, and then back again. And then play that backwards. You played it correctly when you land back on the starting note. So that's when you know you've come full circle. That's the chromatic scale. Like I said before, use your ears and eyes really carefully. I know this video isn't the best. I'm just whipping this up like out of thin air. But these are essential scales that you need to know. These two, just to be able to build dexterity by playing them fast. You know, you can just make cool sounds with these scales. It lets you. It gives you like the key to like all the doors between the frets. You can travel. You can find a way to travel between the frets. So like I was saying, that longer pentatonic scale, like here, I'm gonna do pentatonic scale up here. I can go like this, you know. Up and down, you know. That's cool. But you can also stretch it out and make it sound a little cooler by doing the thing I was showing you starting here. So. And it just looks better, feels better, and like I get to start from here and I get to end like here, you know. And then you can even connect this pentatonic scale with what you just did. So. Oh, sorry. See how that works. Yeah, so like I said, it's a video. You can rewind it, listen to it as many times as you have to. You'll get it. You got the whole summer. Those 2 scales alone are enough for you to practice as an exercise, like every single day. At the same time, you should go online and like try to find like your favorite songs or something with simple chords. You know, don't try anything too crazy. Don't try anything you can't handle. But you know, learn some chords. You know, I know you know a few already. Oh, you got to know the F or the barred version. So the F is just an E like this. You know the E. You know the E chord. This is. That's the E. So 2, 2, 1. starting from the A string. Alright, so that's the E. And F is just an E moved up. Except you just put a finger here and a thumb there for bass, or you can bar the whole thing. You can look on YouTube on how to play barred chords, and I mean, you already know what to practice. Just practice power chords. Practice whatever you've been learning with me. Just practice that. I just want you to be able to play what we've been playing faster and better, like tighter. That way you can make your own songs and stuff and solos and whatnot. Another cool scale I'll show you is it's a mix between the Dorian scale and an arpeggio. So the Dorian scale looks like this. I know you know that one. So that's the Dorian scale, and then I mixed in an arpeggio when you descend. So it sounds like this. So the difference was I went from here, back 1 to the 5, and then all diagonal up here. So you go. You can even actually do the Dorian scale like this. Once you hit this note, you just go diagonal all the way to the 5 on the E string. Sorry. And yeah, so those are some pretty good exercises. It's not easy, using your pinky and stuff, but the pinky is going to help you so much. Just force it. Just I don't know. Sometimes what I do is when I'm watching TV or something, I'm watching TV, but instead of just sitting there watching TV, I'll hold my guitar like unplugged, I'll unplug it and I'll just go like while I'm watching TV or something, Just do it over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Repetition is key. Repetition, practice, all that. Just keep playing it over and over and over, and you're gonna be just fine. And then when you come back, if you've mastered all this stuff, then we'll be able to move on to the more advanced stuff. Like, for one, we'll be able to learn that Santana song. We'll learn some more complicated scales, and I'll show you how to link. Power chords and stuff to solos and stuff like that, and yeah, we'll just go from there. So I hope this video helps. This doesn't have to be the last video I can make for the summer. Just let me know if you want another video about something, and I'll make the video for you. All right, you take care.